Hey, I'm going to show you how to unlock a full version of an Xbox Live Arcade title without having to use something like XM360, which in my case never really did work. And to unlock the game, we're going to be using a Windows computer with software called Xbox 360 Content Manager. You're also going to need a USB pen drive that is big enough to store a game you want to unlock. So first of all, we have to format our USB to FAT32 so our Xbox can read it. So let's connect our USB to the computer, and next I'm going to use software called Rufus to format the USB to FAT32. As you can see, this is a 64GB USB. It's going to be more than enough. The method of the booting is non-bootable. The partition scheme is MBR, the target system is BIOS or UEFI, the name doesn't matter. The file system is large FAT32. Let's press start. Rufus is going to tell us that the pen drive is going to be formatted. This is fine. Let's press OK and let's wait. And it's done. Now we can try to connect it to our console. Okay, so I have connected the USB to my console. Now let's go into settings, system, storage settings. And as you can see, it has been detected. This is good. Now, in case it doesn't get detected, you can go right here and format it. Just make sure it is not set as a system drive because, well, Windows can't read whatever the hell Xbox is trying to store on there. So let's go into our main drive. Let's go into our games. Let's go to this game, however you say it. Let's go into the game and let's move it over to our pen drive. So after the game has been moved, we can back out and take a look at the USB, see if the game is here, and the game is here. So right now I'm going to back out, disconnect the USB, and let's go back to our computer. So now we're back on our computer, so let's close Rufus. Let's go into the file explorer. Let's go right here, content, 00, and let's find our game. So I believe this should be our game, yes, so our game is right here. Now let's use Xbox 360 Content Manager, so let's go to the link I give you in the description. Let's go right here, down here, download. Let's open it. In the file explorer, let's extract it. Let's go into the folder and again, let's open up the application. Right now what we want to do is browse content on our PC and then press OK. Go into my computer, expand, go onto the USB drive. For me it is going to be F. Then expand, content, expand, 000, expand, find our game, expand, 0, and here is our game. Now we're going to select the game and then press the lock icon. Right here, as you can see, we have the little patch button and it's telling us the game title. Press patch. As you can see, the game is patched. Now we can quit out of the application, remove the USB and go back to our console. Now back on our console, let's go onto the USB, games, right here. Let's select it, move it back to our hard drive. Okay, the game has been moved. I'm going to remove the USB. And let's go back to the main menu. Let's see if our game has been unlocked. And here is the game. I'm going to open it now. And as you can see, the unlock full game button is gone. And so that means the game has been fully unlocked and you can enjoy the game. I hope I could help you with this video. Have a nice day.